Good PM. Ngayon po ay Sunday, March 17, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, March 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 17, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Sunday, March 17, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 57.5 million pesos for March 17, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Sunday, March 17, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.